Lexmoto Venom SK125-22, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the fuel valve. So fuel valve has three options. Essentially this option right now is just simply meaning on. So your fuel is going from your fuel tank through this tube to the carburetor to feed the engine and is running. If you turn your switch to the side like this, you are cutting the fuel supply, and that's essentially meaning that you only have enough fuel that is in this tube to feed your engine to run for a very short period of time. So if you ever had like fuel gauge this way, you might gonna able to ride down the road and the engine will just simply stop. Alternatively, if you run out of fuel and instead of pushing your motorcycle all the way to the petrol station, you can turn your fuel gauge all the way up, and this way you are allowing the emergency fuel supply, which is about 1.6 litre on this model, to flow to your engine, which is in the theory would be just about enough to make to the petrol station. And well, if you do have a manual, I hope I made it a tiny bit clearer about the fuel valve.